Oh boy, another package? It is another package. So, if any of you remember, I got a package from Mr. Fast Passenger 9835 not too long ago. That was some of that English flint nodule, you know, the really cool potato looking one that I kind of broke down and was having a good time with. Well, I told him about how it went because I think he was contemplating selling some of that stuff, and he felt bad that it wasn't all good, even though I was like, you know, that's just kind of how it goes sometimes with a rock, because you know you never know. And he was like, "Oh no, I'll send you some more stuff. I'll send you some more stuff to make up for it." And I was like, "I mean, you don't got to, but if you want to." So, this is another this is another package from Mr. Fast Passenger. So, I'm gonna open the lid off camera because it has like addresses and stuff, and I don't want to, I don't want to expose no one. I didn't have my Sharpie, so you know you can kind of see opening it up. And I'm just gonna I'm just gonna rip these bad boys off to protect the innocent. Okay, let me see. No other identifying markings. Sweet. Okay, very similar to last time. Ooh boy, I see some surface nuggets. What do we got? Ooh. Is this more of that flint? I'm gonna have to get my gloves on. I wonder if this is more of that flint. Looks just like a regular rock to me. Both of these do. We're gonna have to break into those bad boys. Yes, we are. Oh, there's a bunch of them in here. A bunch of little itty bitty ones. Let's see. What does this magical bag hold for us? Ooh. Ooh. Oh boy. Impulse control. Impulse control is lacking. It's lacking big time. Can't blame me though. Get my solid copper boy out here. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's gonna be the good stuff. A little weird thing by the little concrete there. That's funny. I just see that little crack in there, but this is gonna be fun. This is gonna be so fun. If I have a bunch of that stuff, where do I put it? I didn't think that far ahead. I'm gonna put it here with the Kashaktan. Now I kind of wanna give this a smack. Oh, well, hi. That must have had an existing crack. Those are sneaky. Ta-da. Ooh, interesting. I kind of don't mind that. I can just kind of use both of those little nuggets. Fun. Very fun. I'm no stranger to working that kind of stuff because remember my Iowa material always looks like this. So I am no stranger to working those weird pieces. This one intrigues me though. I want to know. I don't know if this is... Hold on. My phone's in my pocket and I'm just smashing my wrist on it. There. I want to be careful. I don't know if this is something else that's kind of fun or if this is... Oh, whoa! Okay. Well, that caught me way off guard. That looks nothing like what it does on the outside. That I look like kind of like a limestoney thing. Nah. Huh. Fascinating. That is super cool. Huh. Well, that was neat. That was a nice little opener. I'm gonna hold on to that. I can use that for another unboxing. What was that? Was that me? Ah! 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 Drop some Kashaktan. Can't be losing that. Let me see here. I gotta move some of my stuff around. What else? Do we do the bags? No, we gotta do some of the small ones. There's some other little nuggets hanging out around down here. Let me see. Let me grab them. Ooh, that's a really dark looking one. Gumball. That one would be a nightmare to break into. Is there any other little nugget ones hanging out? I want to see. I don't think so. Yeah, look at these little guys. Look at these little potatoes. Little taters. Tater tot. No idea how I'm going to pop this bad boy open. I'm going to save him for later. That's going to be for some experiments. This dark stuff is really, really pretty. I mean, all of this is really, really pretty. Will it be good? Will it be bad? I don't know. I'm just happy to have some of it because it's cool. Ooh, this is a big potato right here. Let's get this bad boy out. There we go. Expose it to the world. I want to reuse these, by the way. Oh, ooh, ooh. Look at that funny looking thing. Ain't that fun? This is very similar to what I broke down last time. Kind of that funky looking weirdness there. Look at it. It's like you'd be like one of those effigy guys. It's an elephant. See, you got the trunk and it's got the creatures in it. Yeah. Oh, this is going to be another challenge, but now that I have more of these, I might hold on to them. I'm betting it's going to have cracks in it, but it's not the end of the world, personally, for me at least. Get out of here, fly. A very nice nodule. I will mess with it, and I will have a good time. That I can promise. What's check. Very pretty bag. Ooh. Now that one is shiny. That is quite shiny. I got to. You know, I can't. Oh yeah. That's a good piece. Look at it. I'm just so impressed by how glossy this stuff is. Like, it's really, really glossy. That's nice, though. That's real nice. I'm probably going to make something out of that piece. Yeah. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. That's awesome. Love that. Love that and the bag. Let's do another one. What do we got in here? What's in there? Ooh. It's running. Ooh, more of that dark stuff. Yeah. Ooh, it's got a little thing on top there. That needs to go. I wonder if I could just get some of it. Smooth it off just a little bit. Ooh, yeah, it's got translucency to it. For sure. For sure does. Ooh. Does it have cracks? It doesn't seem like it has any visible cracks, but we will have to see. We will have to see. I'm gonna hit it right on this little nipple. Oh no, that worked. Travels great. Look at that, right up there. Beautiful. Beautiful little nodule. Very good, very excellent. Let's do the blue bag. This feels fun as well. It's even tied off. What an experience this is. Feels premium. I love it. And I get to unbox fun material. Too bad I don't know how to untie knots. I'm in rock breaking mode. There we go. Or did I just make it worse? I think I just made it worse. Oh dear. Great heavens. Can we pull it past? Maybe. Come on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's another really weird shaped one. Another weird potato. What else is in here? More potatoes? More potatoes! Yes. Look at these potatoes. Heck yeah. That got me excited. I don't know how this one's gonna hold up. That one might be the first one I mess with. These all seem pretty okay. As long as they're not too cracked. I'll still try to get as many pieces out of them as I can, but yeah. More. And there's more. Believe it or not, there's more. What's this? This one's hanging out. I miss this guy. Another one that's got, it's got that nice clarity to it. This stuff's wonderful. If I could find this around here, I'd be the happiest guy ever. We've got nothing like this. Nothing. Not a thing. It's so nice. It's so pretty. It's so glossy. It's got translucency. Focus on the thingy that's right in front of you. No? Why? Does it need a background? That's what I thought. Man, take the background away. It's going to unfocus. There. Yeah. It's really trying today. It's trying hard. It's not doing it. Yeah. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. What else do we got? Check this bag out. Oh. Ooh. Look at that. That. God, they're so lumpy. It's so interesting. It's just so weird. Really nice, dark, super glossy, translucent flint. Wunderbar. Whoop. Darn it. Should have given her just a bit more beans. She didn't go up that. I'm trying to get her off. Use these pieces? Maybe. Hold on to them. I'm not going to waste any of this material if I can. That'll be a fun one. That'll be real fun. It's pretty. So pretty. Hold on, we gotta get a thumbnail. I haven't even got a thumbnail yet. Come on, boys. Look at this, we're slacking in this video. We are slacking hard. Yeah, let's get them potatoes in there. Heck yeah. Gonna place them right about there, I'd say. Yeah. Decouple that focus. Yeah. Heck yeah. There's more. Can you believe it? There's more. My glove's starting to go. This is another big potato. Oh, yeah. Ooh, this one has me. That whole thing that's running right through there, this one has me. Oh, yeah. Ha. Well, that took care of that. But now I have a less awkward piece that I need to work. And I still feel relatively confident so long as that concrete right there, that's some good concrete. That's like picture perfect concrete right in there. So long as that doesn't really get to me, this will be interesting. This one's very heavily weathered, but I will still mess with it. Anytime, I won't give up on it. And I got the last green bag. Green bag. Oh my gosh, it's emerging. Ooh, it looks like it's a little bit lighter colored. Can I get all these out? No, I need to undo the knot. It's fine. My biggest enemy. How does that happen? It's just like some like weird magic. Maybe it's just because I have a glove on. That's probably what it is. Usually I'm not this incompetent. There we go. Open her up. See what's inside. Ooh. More of that flint. This is a different looking type of it. These are all kind of interesting in their own way. This one's really light. This one's very, very dark. That one's interesting to me. And this one's just some of that good old stuff right here. You can really see the translucency of it shining through. But yeah. Yeah, this is good stuff. And that so concludes the package. Everything was packed very, very, very well. Like extremely well. I don't know if I'm going to break any of these nodules on this video. I'm thinking about saving them for a later video. As fun as it would be, I do have another unboxing that I gotta do, and I wanted to do that one. But this stuff is wonderful. I am so excited to have some of this neat stuff around. Like, even if it is cracked and whatever, I kind of don't care all that much. He was kind enough to send this over to me even after some of the other stuff wasn't all that great, and I was fine with that one. But yeah, this is a fantastic box. This is a really fantastic box. I wonder if this would make for a good thumbnail. And it would. I'm just gonna make it look extra potato-y and weird. And then we can be like, yeah. There we go, took another picture. Yeah. This is awesome, man. I appreciate this. I appreciate you sending more stuff. I'm definitely gonna have fun with it. That much I can guarantee you. What am I gonna make? I don't know. But when I do make something, I will be sure to shout you out, because I'm gonna combine all the stuff from the other box in with this box, so I have it all consolidated and I have all the stuff in one spot. But yeah, that was great. That was awesome. I'm really excited, man. Thank you again. Thank you again for all this wonderfully cool stone. It's unlike anything else that I've been able to get around here, and I am stoked. Very stoked. If anybody has any points that they would like to see me try and make out of some of this stuff, do leave it in the comments, because I will see what I can do about them. I don't guarantee anything. I'm not an expert, but if anybody wants to see any points made out of some of this neat looking stuff, do just let me know, and I'll see what I can do about them. I do like doing viewer request videos. They give me ideas for the channel, and they're just kind of easy because I don't have to think too much. It's just like, okay, this person wants this, I'm gonna make that for them. So yeah. Any requests, do let me know. I'll try to use this stuff, or for other materials, I will do other materials as well. But yeah. If you have any stuff that you want to send me, my email is in the description of this video. So if you want to advertise any of your products, send anything my way, anything weird you want to see me unbox or test out or try to do a challenge with, just feel free to send me an email, and I will definitely get back to you on that subject. So yeah, this is awesome. Thanks again, man. Again, Fast Passenger 9835, I believe, is the username. I appreciate it, man. This is awesome, and I look forward to using it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick little unboxing video, and hopefully you look forward to seeing what I make out of this stuff as well. Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. I will catch you in the next video. Peace.